Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome you to all in today's video session. Today we are going to make a calendar using some craft papers and tinted paper and some materials. This is your handmade calendar. So for this you need one tinted paper, any color of your choice, some origami paper, glue, scale, scissor, sketch pen, pencil, double side tape. All you need to make a calendar. So let's start. Now take one origami paper and do the measurement of 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Draw a margin. See? Now after taking margin, you have to fold this paper on the measurement like this. See, we got the fold from here. Now what we have to do, again we take the measurement of 4 centimeter here and 4 centimeter from here, and also from this side 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Draw the line to this measurement like this and like this. Now what you have to do, you have to fold from this one side. Okay, now open it and again take a fold from this drawn line. From this side also. See, 4 centimeter from here, 4 centimeter from here and 4 centimeter from here. Now what we have to do, we have to fold from the backward like this. Fold from here and again fold from here. Now see, we got the pocket from here. Now what we have to do, we have to paste this open sides and this open side too. See, our pocket is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to make 3 pockets like this of the same measurement 4 centimeter from the 3 sides and take a fold from 3 sides. See, we got the pocket 1, 2 and on the third one. Now we keep them aside. Now take a origami paper and draw the cat's face. You can draw any cartoon of your choice. I have drawn the cat. Now we have to cut it from the outline. See, I have cut all the outer lines. Now take a color and color this cat. Now again take a black sketch pen and color the outlines. See, make two pictures of cats and cut it from the outline and color it. So I have made two. You can make any of your choice cartoons character, any of them. Now cut the small strips like this. This is of 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. See, 3 centimeter the width and the length is 6 centimeter. You have to cut more strips like this. Now what you have to do, you have to take all the strips and write the dates like 0, 1, 0, 2. See, you have to write all the dates from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from 31. Now these are the dates are ready. Now we will write month. Now write the names of the month like January, February. Now you can write Jan, Feb, March, April, May till December. See all the names of the month I have written in all the strips till December. Now we will write the days like Monday. Sorry, I have to first write Sunday, Sunday, Monday, and so on till Saturday. See, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I write all the names of the days. Now take the leftover paper which we got from the kitten's picture. Don't throw them. You just have to write the date, month, day. Now we have to cut all this from the outline. Now take a circle of 3 centimeter radius, then write the year, that is 2021. See, now our ear, our pockets, our cats for designing the year, month, and this days of the week and dates all are ready. Now we have to assemble all this. Now take a tinted paper and make a marking of 5 centimeter from the bottom. Now make a line joining these dots. What you have to do after drawing a line, you just have to fold this like this. See. Same, we have to draw the marking of 5 centimeter from the other side. That means from this side. I have already drawn the margin of the 5 centimeter. Now we fold this. Now what you have to do, you have to just join these edges, this edge or this edge. And fold the tinted paper like this. See, now we have got 3 lines, 1, 2 and this one is 3. What you have to do, we just stick one side of paper to the another one. See, we have to apply the glue. Okay, we will fold this paper onto this. See, we got this kind of shades after folding. Now the cutouts, the frames we have already made, we just have to paste like this and this. For this you can use glue or the double side tape. I am using double side tape. See, I have pasted one side of this double side tape to this pocket from the back side Now we just have to pull it out and stick those pockets like this. See, I have stick all these pockets to this base. Now what we have to do, we just stick this cat's and ear to this. See, we have stick all the cat and this ear. Now we have this cutouts of date, month and day. So first we paste date. To first pocket, that is date. Now month. To the second pocket and to the third pocket we paste date. See. Now the time to put all the cutouts of date, month and day to put inside this pockets. As today is the date is 10th. So we put 10 on the first and put all this number backside and put this cutouts and this pocket, and the 10th one is on the front. This is our 10th. Which month is this? This is the month of February. So we put all the month name in the month pocket. This is the Feb. So we put Feb to the front. And which day is today? Yes, today is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and here it comes Wednesday. So see, 10th Feb year 2021 and day is Wednesday. So you can prepare your handmade calendar for yourself and put it on your desk, on your cupboard, wherever you want. This is your self-made calendar. So students, I hope you all like it. If you have any questions that how to prepare this, and if you want to learn more and more, then you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jazakallah.